Hi guys, we'll be starting shortly. Please do invite everyone. Invite your friends, invite your colleagues, invite your enemies to have money. All right, I'll be shortly. We'll be starting in a minute. Thank you guys. Please invite everyone. All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are on it again. One more time. My name is Elson Mabena, aka the Crypto King. All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, all the people who are here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a formal presentation. This is just an informal training so that people can understand about blockchain, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, projects on the space, and so much more. So I'll request everyone to be free. Don't be sort of feel like this is a prison or jail. Feel free. Let's ask some question on the comment section. Let's keep talking on the comment section. Say something that you wanna say. I see here Cryptomania Shiva. Welcome back, Mr. Shiva. All right, so welcome back, everyone. Like I said, this is not a presentation. It's just an informal training to introduce people to this industry that is taking over, this industry that is making people billionaires, the industry that is creating millionaires. So you don't want to be left behind. You don't want to be left out of this phenomenal industry. The trend is moving. The trend started way back in 2008 when the white paper was released, going through 2009 and 2010. So it's been a while, guys. If you just heard about cryptocurrencies, if you just heard about the blockchain, you're almost late, but you're still early. Bitcoin has come down to fetch you. The cryptocurrency market has come down to fetch you. It's your lucky day. It's your lucky time. So you're still early as well. It's a big industry. It's a big market. We are going far. Welcome back. Welcome, everyone. As people still tuning in. Right, we'll be talking about crypto, guys. Talking about blockchain. I'll start by touching on blockchain. Blockchain is the platform. This is the system that created the cryptocurrencies. Blockchain, all these cryptocurrencies were created on a platform called blockchain. So blockchain is the mother of all cryptocurrencies, so to say. But of course, it's a separate system, blockchain being the system that can also be used in so many other services aspects. We're looking at different government organizations researching, analyzing how best they can use blockchain system. It's not something that is here and then it's gonna be gone. It's something that is creating, it's something that the biggest institutions, financial institutions, economical institutions, they are looking into, they are researching and making sure that they want to get involved on this system called blockchain. The qualities of blockchain, guys, is that they can actually store information, and that information cannot be corrupted, and that information cannot be deleted. It's so transparent. That's the qualities of blockchain. So such system is a system that is here to liberate us throughout the world. But guess what? With so much corruption around, guys, before I talk further, can you type 77 on the comment section so that I know we are together? I might be talking alone here. I need to know if people are here. Can you type 77 on the comment section? 77 on the comment section. All right. 77 on the comment section, guys. Great stuff, guys. If you've got some questions, or if you've got some pain that you want me to touch on, please do say so on the comment section, on the chat section, so that I can touch on. Remember, I said that this is not a formal presentation. It's just an informal training to introduce you to the cryptocurrency space, to the blockchain system. So you do not want to leave this presentation without the information that you came here for. All right, welcome back, everyone. So as I was saying, guys, blockchain, it's a system that can be adopted by different organizations, by different institutions. Example is whereby, let's say, it can be adopted in the licensing department. Once it can be adopted in the licensing department, all information, all the data of licenses of different people can be uploaded on blockchain. And then whenever you lose your or your wallet, or you don't have your wallet, you forgot your license in the wallet, and then you get stopped by the police, metros, they can always check on your information from the blockchain system, from the database, and then you can appeal. And that information cannot be deleted, cannot be removed. It will stay there for a long time. It will always be there. It will always be there. So that's blockchain. The second example is whereby if blockchain can be used in the medical space, hospitals, just because now what happens is that people travel a lot around the country, in fact, around the world. If there can't be an app that deals with the blockchain on the medical space and get all your information uploaded on blockchain, get all your information uploaded on that app on blockchain. So this simply means all your data, all the information, all the records about what, all the data about your medical history, what your medical history is all about, the sickness, the diseases, and your what they've actually healed you in the past and stuff. That information can be pulled over. Currently, if I go to Joburg Hospital and then get transferred to another hospital in the Eastern Cape, my information is not there. They have to go with the file. They have to actually transfer the file to that site. Now, in the 21st century, that's not how we're supposed to function. How we're supposed to function is the situation whereby when they go to the system, when they go to the app, they can just type a certain code or my ID number. Then it pulls off all the history, all the records, all the information must be pulled off, and then they can see. Whenever I go, my information need to be there. This is where we're supposed to be, not this situation whereby the information is centralized in a certain place. We are in a decentralized world. Decentralized world, meaning the information has to be accessible everywhere. When I talk about decentralized world, this means also, guys, that we are in a world whereby you need to access the systems, you need to access the world from wherever you are, meaning that even the jobs. Currently, we've got a situation whereby I can be based in SA, but I can work in the United States while it's based in SA. It's no longer a requirement, it's no longer a must, it's no longer attractive or interesting that whenever I need a job, I need to move to the United States. Whenever I need a job, I need to move to Europe. I no longer have to do so, guys. With the decentralized world we live in, I no longer have to move to areas of that are very far. I can be stationed where I am in South Africa and work in China. I can be stationed in South Africa and work in England, work with the company that is in England. Currently, even Facebook, people who are working for Facebook, not all of them, they are working at the headquarters of Facebook in the Washington, DC or San Francisco. Not everyone is there. They have got workers all over the world from where you are. Now, the most important thing is for you to equip yourself with the right skills. The most important thing is for you to have the right experiences in order for you to be attractive for the right employers across the globe, across the whole world. It's no longer attractive, interesting for you to move to Canada, to work as a waiter, to move to Canada, to work for low-paying jobs or whatever the job. You can still be stationed here, but you need the right qualities, the right skills. That's what we are talking about. Right now, the skill that we are going to be empowering you today, that we are going to be talking about, that we've been actually touching all these days, is the skill that is found on the cryptocurrency market, which is the trading and investing. Trade and invest, which is brought to you by the blockchain and cryptocurrency market. Right, as we move on, cryptocurrency market, I normally retrace back to fetch other people. We've got newbies here, new people who are still trying to find their feet and understanding what is cryptocurrency, what are these cryptos that everyone is talking about. When we are talking of cryptocurrencies, we are talking of these coins called Bitcoin, Bitcoin being the first cryptocurrency that was created way back in 2009. Bitcoin is the firstborn, I normally say is the firstborn of all the cryptos. Bitcoin, when it started, it was less than 10 cents of a rand. It went further. The price started increasing to $1, to $2, $3, $4, $10, 100 US dollars as the years went by. That's Bitcoin. After it was born, there came brothers and sisters of Bitcoin, which is Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, ADA, Dashcoin. So many of them started coming up. As we can see, currently we've got more than 15,000 of cryptocurrencies that are in the space. 15,000 cryptocurrencies that already have been created. Right. Now, with all these cryptocurrencies that have been created, I normally say they're not just cryptocurrencies, they're not just coins. They've got projects behind them. They're solving a certain problem. They've got value, independent value, all these coins, and they are growing very, very aggressive, going up. All right. Now let me share the screen so that we can talk about these coins. Allow me to share the screen. Give me some few minutes and let me see if I can share the screen. All right. Okay. All right, can you guys tell me what do you see on the screen? Can you guys tell me? Can you see coin market cap on the screen? Can you type something there so that I know, guys? Can you see coin market cap on the screen? All right, VRA. Okay, great stuff. Thank you so much. All right, this is coin market cap. This is a platform where you can check your coins. If you've got a coin that you've heard somewhere, people talking about it, you can always come here and check that coin. You can always come here and check that project. So you can always, this is a marketplace for all the coins. It's a listing, a platform for all the coins. If your coin is not found here, or if it's not here, you have to really check why it's not listed here. Some of them are still new, of course, but everyone, when they start their projects, they're fighting for their coins to be listed here, so that it can actually have a worldwide global market. Right now, these are the projects, guys, that we found on the space. As you can see here, we've got Bitcoin, we've got Ethereum, the top 10, guys. You must always take note of the top 10. The top 10. So these are top 10s in terms of volumes, in terms of the listing as well. As you can see, Bitcoin being number 1, followed by Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance is here. Bitcoin dominance is 39% over all the cryptocurrencies that are in existence. So it's 39%, followed by Ethereum, which is at 19%. As you can see, it says here cryptos 20,810 cryptocurrencies that are in existence. All these cryptocurrencies, guys, have got different projects behind them. Some of them, they are good projects, but some of them, they are shit projects. When we hear people say it is a shit coin or shit project, it's actually a word, it's a term that is found on the space, on the blockchain space, a shit project, a shit coin. So you must take note of such projects. It means those are scam projects. They might be here today, but they will disappear. I've been in the cryptocurrency space since 2004. Since 2014. All these years I've seen coins come and go. I've seen coins that were there in 2016, 2017 that I don't even see them any longer on the space. Some of them, they were very good coins. They were major coins back then in 2016, 2017. Coins like Litecoin, coins like Dashcoin. Music. All right, all these coins back in 2016, 2017, they were major coins like Litecoin, Dashcoin, but they are no longer in the top 10. They are no longer even on top 20. They are actually pushed behind back because their qualities is no longer interesting. These projects need to really do something. They need to be upgrading. They need to keep upgrading. Like currently, Ethereum is looking at upgrading its system. It's looking at emerging, you know. So it means it wants to keep the #1 spot. It wants to keep the #2 spot. In fact, they're fighting to become #1. All the coins are fighting to become #1, though Bitcoin will always dominate. Bitcoin will always be there. But obviously, there are some section of people who will say, Bitcoin will lose the dominance at some point, which is I beg to differ. All right, but all the coins are special those ones with developers behind. Whenever you are to invest in a project, guys, look into these qualities before you take into a project. #1, look at the developers behind the project. Look who's behind the project. When I say look who's behind the project, the owners of that project always have an idea, have the knowledge of who is behind a certain project. Of course, we've got projects that have got anonymous founders. Those are a bit dangerous projects because they can decide to disappear with your money at any point in time. How do they disappear with your money? It's whereby we have bought a certain project. We have bought let's say we have bought Ethereum, and then you don't know the owners. They decide to, you know what, to cut off, to just, you know what, shut it off, shut it down. You have invested, you have bought, you have spent your entire savings, you have spent your entire investment on the project, and then they just decide to stop the project and disappear. You have lost your money. They are not known, they are anonymous, and no one is gonna ever trace them out. But if you invest on a project that is out there, people know about it, people know the founders, it's way better. If a founder put their faces on the public space, it means they are not, I'm not saying they are not scammers, but it's halfway into getting somewhere. All right. So know the founders. #2, what is the project all about? What is it solving? Is it something urgent? Is it something that actually is needed? Is it solving a bigger problem? I normally say, being a business person, you must be prepared to solve problems on the space. The bigger the problem, the more billions you're gonna make. The bigger the problems, the more money you're gonna make. That's being a business person. If you say I'm a business person and we ask you what problem are you solving in this space? And we look into your problem and say, no, man, your problem is very easy. your problem is not really difficult, then it also means you're not going to make a lot of money. You need to solve bigger problems so that your project can also be classified as a very, very, very valuable project in the ecosystem. All right. Now, let's look into one project, BNB. All right, BNB started way back in 2017. I remember in 2017, June. One of the guys that I was working with, sent me a link and say, check this project. It was actually doing something called ICO, initial coin offering, way back in 2017 in June. And the one coin was going for $1 back then. We registered on the platform, and some people did buy the coins. Right, let's look into the numbers. What is BNB? BNB stands for Binance. It's a Binance ecosystem. This is a ticker symbol for Binance, a coin representing the Binance ecosystem. Binance is one of the biggest projects. One of the project in the Binance ecosystem is Binance itself, which is an exchange, one of the biggest exchange in the crypto space. So as more as the exchange grows bigger, it means this coin also is going to gain value. The owner, CZ, is doing a lot. He's buying so many other coins, so many other projects in the space. Even this platform that we are actually looking at, which is CoinMarketCap, is now owned by Binance itself. He's actually bought some shares into Forbes. So he's got some shares into Forbes. So as all these projects which are under Binance ecosystem, they grow bigger, they are fueling this coin to gain value. That's how this coin is gaining value. Right now, let's look into the statistics, the stats, how this coin has been growing or whether it's been going down. Right, here it is, all-time low. The lowest this coin has ever been was 0.09 Satoshis, less than a dollar, less than a cent, in fact. 0.09 Satoshis, you can see here it was August 2017, 5 years ago. Okay, August 2017, like I said, it was issued or started in July 2017. Then it retraced, went to 0.09. Now let's look into the numbers. Should we have taken $1,000 US, and invested in this project at its lowest, which is 0.09 cents divided by 0.09, you would have bought 11,000. You would have bought 11,000 coins, BNB coins, 11,000 BNB coins. And now let's look into the highest, all-time high, meaning the highest point it's ever been to, which is $690 a year ago, May 10. Right, 11,000 BNB coins multiplied by 690. If you sold by that time at its highest point, you would have made 7,666,000. 7,666,000 US dollars. Okay. So that's the money that you would have made. Let's look into the rand terms. Multiply by 15. That would have been 114 million. That's how these projects, guys, can produce millionaires. That's what we call producing millionaires. Right. So this is BNB. Let's look into another example before we move away from here to something else. Right. Another project that we can look into. Solana. Okay, Solana. Someone said Solana on chat section. Let's look into Solana. All right. Okay, let's go for Solana. Solana ecosystem is one of the biggest as well. Solana. Okay. All right. All right. Let's look into statistics of Solana. All right. All right. All-time low for Solana. It was May 11, 2020. You can see the project was at the lowest was 50 cents. As you can see on the screen, 50 cents. Let's say with 1,000 US dollars divide by 50 cents, you would have kept or accumulated or bought 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins. The highest for this project has been 260 US dollars, which happened 10 months ago in 2021, the end of, it was during November 6, 2021. 2,000 coins multiplied by 260 US dollars, that's 520,000 US dollars. 520,000 US dollars, that's $500,000 in dollar terms. Multiply by 15, that's 7,800,000. 7,800,000 in rand terms. So this is what you would have gained. Guys, these are not fake numbers, or these are not thumbsuck numbers. These are real numbers in investing in these coins. But now, how do you get to invest in these projects? The most important thing is to have the knowledge, have the understanding, have an idea how to choose the great projects. Currently, we are in a bear market, meaning the prices are down. If we have got access to finance, if we have got access to money, this is the most fertile time to buy projects, to look into undervalued projects. We call them gems. Coins that will do 200x, 10x, 20x, 100x, 1000x in the next bull run, in the next bull market. It's very possible, guys. We've got a lot of coins that are undervalued, that have got potential, but currently, because it's a bear market, they're worth nothing. But when the bull market start intensifying, when the bull market start happening, those coins, they wake up, they start making you money. You might be surprised your 10,000 rands turning into 1 million. Your 10,000 rands turning into 500,000. Your 10,000 rands turning you into 2 million. It's very possible. 10,000 rands turning into 2 million. 10,000 rands turning into 5 million. But you need to know which project to invest in. You need to know which coins are good, which coins are gonna do well in the next bull run. But now the question is, out of all these 20,000 coins that are in existence, how am I gonna know this coin is gonna do 100x, is gonna take my 10,000 rands to 1 million. You need that information. You need that knowledge. You need that skill. You need the third eye. You need the skill, the ability to see what others don't see. Let me not talk deep. Nizobaleka. All right, so you need the ability, you need to have vision and the ability and the skill. The most important thing is to acquire the right skill so that you can actually keep surfing the project. Someone in the audience says, I do not have funds to invest. You've got funds. You've got a lot of them. It's month end now. Already you have started spending money on things that do not matter. Just by committing 100 rand on a Friday every week, 100 rand, 200 rand every week, it can take you somewhere. It's not about funds, it's not about capital, it's not about money, but it's about commitment. What you want to achieve, what you want to make, it's about commitment. So this is part of, guys, what I'm talking about is called buy and hold, is investing in different projects. If you are following me on Facebook, I did talk about having a plan where you learn how to trade, have the ability to trade, and take the money that you are using, that you are profiting on trading, and buying the coins, the project. Take the money that you are getting from trading and buy different projects. You're multiplying your portfolio. You have a solid portfolio to say, you know what, I've got this type of coins, I've got this number of coins, my portfolio is balanced now. This is what you're supposed to be doing. Guys, let me tell you this. In our lifetime, in our generation, all of you who are here, this is the most profitable opportunity, the cryptocurrency market. We will never see any other profitable opportunity. Stock market was ever been there. They made money when it was most profitable, but it's no longer as big as compared to the crypto space. It's no longer as big as compared to the crypto opportunity. We are at a very good period. This is the most fertile period. But now you need to move from being a spectator to start buying, taking action, getting involved. Don't be a spectator. Some of you here started to know about Bitcoin some years ago, but you have been a spectator up until today. You're still scared. You are still on the sidelines. You are not getting involved. Worst case scenario, you are getting involved the wrong way. Get involved the right way. Get involved in a proper way so that you can actually, guys, we are in a bear market. Bear market means the prices are down. If you start investing now, when the bull market starts in the next 6 months, a year or two, whatever the case, but it's guaranteed that this market will always go to a bull market, then your money can be multiplied by 3, by 10, by 100. Your coins, your portfolio. It's so nice, guys, to see your portfolio multiplying. Right, let me not waste much of your time. The next section that we're gonna look into now, it's trading. We've been looking into buying and holding, which is investing, long-term expectation. Now let's look into trading. Trading being the game of making money on a daily basis. Trading is whereby you say, you know what, I want to be making money on a daily basis, on a short term. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly, but I need to profit from the short-term movement of the market. How can I do so? There is a way. It's called trading. Right. It's called trading. Let me share the screen. Are we still there, guys? Can you write 5-5 now? 5-5. If you are still there and if you are enjoying this training, can you write 5-5? If you are enjoying this training, if you can you write 5-5. If you don't write 5-5, it's a coupon. All right. All right, guys, still together. Great stuff, great stuff, great stuff. All right, this is now when you say this is a nice game. It's an interesting game. This is where you make money on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. When the market moves, every movement in the market is an opportunity to make money. Whether the market is going down or whether the market is going up, every movement of the market is an opportunity to make money. This is a situation whereby we say, okay, now we are in a bear market, but you know what? We don't have much funds to really buy projects. Now, this is where you say, okay, trading, you make money. You don't even want the market to go up or to go down, but whatever the movement that is happening on the market, you always making money. That's trading. That's what we call trading. Now we've got a platform here where we trade. It's called Bybit. Please, patience, do send the link on the chat section for people to register. Don't just register, guys, and don't download the app without the link. You must always use our link to register so that whenever you need help, we can always assist you. We can always assist you whenever you need help, especially when you have registered using our link. And using our link, you become part of our community. We always give specials when you have registered using our link. I'm trying to bring out the platform. It seems like it's taking time, but it's gonna happen shortly so that we move forward. Okay, now whenever, guys, you are trading, there are two ways or there are different ways of trading. There's something called spot trading. Spot trading is whereby you are buying the actual assets. Let's say you are buying Bitcoin, you are buying the real Bitcoin with spot trading. That's real Bitcoin. You're buying Bitcoin at 19,000, and then when it moves to 25,000, when it moves to 25,000 US dollars, and then you can always sell. You are selling your real Bitcoins, your real assets. That's spot trading, that's spot buying. You are buying the real assets. But now, spot trading is good when you are just buying so that you can actually have coins you are buying for investing. It's good that way. But now in our situation, we want to talk about trading. Now, this is where we introduce you to features trading, leverage trading, where you are trading with more money. It's a fast game. You are making money with the borrowed funds. The platform says we can borrow you some funds so that with your 100 US dollars, you can control funds of thousands. With 100 US dollars, you can control a position of 1,000 US dollars. How so? By using leverage. This can enable you to multiply your money very fast. Leverage trading. Now, once you have registered on the platform, and you have transferred your funds, I can't go through that, the whole scenario is for another training, or in fact is for exclusive training with my team. Those who are actually involved in my academy this is what they are getting. They are getting, if you get involved in our academy, if you enroll into our academy, we take you through how to analyze the market, the charts, how to know this candlestick means you have to buy, what it means. I'm trying to get this chart, guys. Keeps on moving. I'm not sure why. I need it to come. We need to move forward. Come. Okay. Let me see if I can. It's taking time. Why is it taking time like this? It's shy to see people. Okay. Okay, all right, it's coming up, guys. I wanted to show you the charts and then talk of something that you are all looking at, whereby you need to analyze the charts. The charts, which is trading, is a combination of technical analysis and fundamentals. When we are talking of technical analysis, this is the study of the past data, the study of what happened in the past that can actually contribute to what's going to happen in the future. So when someone says I'm a good technical analyst, it means they can actually assemble the past data. They can actually go as far as 5 years, 10 years, 5 years, a year, 20 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, and 1 minute ago to understand how the market is going to behave in the next future. All right, so technical analysis is the study of the past data to give you the probability of where the market might go in the next future. And then you need to be good in technicals. You need to be good in studying such candlesticks. And then now you also need to be very good in understanding the fundamentals. I always say you might be good at technicals, but fundamentals can mess up with your trading. Fundamentals can take your trading to the worst. So you need to be good at technicals, but always be very aware, always be very alert of the fundamentals. For example, Bitcoin, excuse. Last week, Bitcoin was trading around, it was trading around, when was it? On the 19th, okay. Bitcoin on the, around the 18th, 19th, Bitcoin was trading around 23,500 US dollars, 23,500 US dollars. Then came some news, some fundamentals that took the market down. They took the market to around 21,000 US dollars. Okay, from 23,500 US dollars, the market fell to 21,000 US dollars. So those were fundamentals. Should we have been caught here? Looking at this chart here, you would have actually technically said that this market is going up. You know what? This is a reversal. This market is about to break to 25,000 to 30,000 US dollars. But fundamentals took the market down. You understand? So as much as you are good in as a technical analyst, you must also be very sharp when it comes to fundamentals, and then be very careful when the news get released. Fundamental guys are the news. I'm now talking a big English. Okay, fundamentals are news. The news that get released. When they say China is banning Bitcoin, those are major news that can take Bitcoin to another levels. When Elon Musk tweets and say, Bitcoin, I'm buying Bitcoin, everyone becomes excited. Elon Musk is buying Bitcoin, and then the market rises. The market goes up because the whole market, the investors are now putting a lot of money into the market because Elon Musk, who's the public figure, he said he's buying Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin, the market goes up. But when again Elon Musk says, I'm selling all my Bitcoins, the market goes down because the market is losing interest. Those are negative news. So the market will always go down. That's what happens. Okay, so you need to be very alert of the news. And then now, how do we make money here? This is where it comes. This is where we use leverage. When you're about to start a trade here, you come here, you choose between cross and isolated. Cross means you are using the whole of your account. If you are entering a trade, you are using the whole of your whole account is exposed. But now if you are using isolated, you can choose to say, I'm using 100 US dollars. Your account is safe, but that 100 US dollars that you are using on this trade is the one that is gonna be exposed. So you can come and use 100 US dollars. So I recommend using isolated as opposed to cross. Now you come here and say, how much leverage am I going to use? You can either use 5x, 10x, 25x. This will enable you to make a lot of money. Using this leverage will enable you to make a lot of money. Your money is multiplied by 10. Your profits are multiplied by 25. Your profits are multiplied by 50. Same as your losses. If you are on the wrong side, your losses are multiplied by the same margin. Now, with the leverage, what I love and with the leverage trading is that you can make money when the market is going down. You can make money when the market is going up. You don't mind when the market is going down, you go short. That's why when you hear people saying, I'm going long on Bitcoin, it means they're buying Bitcoin. When people saying, I'm going short on Bitcoin, I'm shorting Bitcoin, it means they're actually going short. They're selling. They're selling Bitcoin. So it's either you're going long or you are going short. Either of them. Now, guys, for you to understand all this, for you to have a proper understanding and the idea of how the market functions, you need a skill. You need to learn. You need to have that experience of this market. The market, guys, can actually profit you, can reward you handsomely. You can make a lot of money trading. You can make trading as your career. You know, you can make trading as a career. You can make trading as a full-time job. There are a lot of people who are trading for a living. People who are always on the market. I am one of them. I trade for a living. This is my full-time job. So you can also trade for a living whereby you are trading. The most important thing is to have the tools, the necessary tools for you to start trading on this market. There are many opportunities. Once you have a skill here, you can. Someone might say, okay, where am I going to get some funds, the capital to sustain me, especially when I'm trading on this market? No, guys. Once you have a skill, once you are trading, once you have a skill and once you are trading, so many people are looking for someone with a skill. Billionaires, millionaires are looking for you. They're not looking for you because you don't have a skill now. I'm not talking about you. Okay, so many people Rich people, millionaires, guys, are looking for someone with a skill. They don't mind to give you 1 million US dollars and say, okay, how much can you trade this account? How much can you give us? What returns can you bring when trading on this account? You don't even have to promise them a lot of money. Just say, okay, let's do 20% a year, not even a month, 20% a year. Because imagine 1 million US dollars, 20%. It's a lot of money. Especially guys who are actually big millionaires, they don't really have this mentality of yours that I want to make 20% a month. 20% for them a year is good money. It's a very good money. So what I'm saying to you is that once you have a skill, you can get investors investing on you, private investors. Even secondly, there are some firms that if you have got a skill, they can actually give you some capital even now. If you have got a skill, if you know how to trade now, you can come to my inbox and say, Mr. Mapena, I know how to trade. You said there's firms that can give you 25,000 US dollars, 100,000 US dollars to trade. I can actually connect you to those firms. Only if you have got a skill. If you know what you are doing, I can connect you. So it's not about capital. It's not about I don't have capital. Even if I learn, I won't have capital. No. Capital is not a problem. The tools are the major things. To acquire the necessary tools are the major, have the resources are the major things on this market. All right. Now we have got, I've got a project, I've got a platform, which is on Empire Forex Net. What we do, we empower people with tools, with necessary tools. What we do here, we give out signals. So you can always subscribe to our signals, where we give out some signals on a daily basis to say, you Bitcoin enter this level, stop loss here and profit here. We analyze the market, we check the market, and then we send out signals. We send out the data. You just put those signals and then you make money. So you can see it's $50 every month. And then also we have got an academy where we teach you people, we give you information, we teach you, we empower you about technical analysis. We give you the knowledge about how to analyze the market. There's so much behind, guys. To acquire the skill, to have the necessary information, you need to do a lot. There's so much work put behind for you to make it in this trading journey, but it's very possible and it's very rewarding afterwards. It can open so many doors for you. So here we've got signals, it's $50, but the special for the weekend, for you being here, the special for this weekend, you can only subscribe with $30 US, as opposed to $50 US. Come to this platform, register, and then pay $30 US, and then we put you into our group, into our signals group. We've got a few signals group. We put you into one of our signals group, and then you start getting signals. Fund your account, and then start getting signals. You start trading. So instead of $50 US, it's gonna be 30. It's gonna be $30 US for this service. We've got an academy as well, where if you want to learn, All right, we've got welcome Tutu. How's the threat? How's your mentorship going, Tutu? Are you attending every day with Stone?
It's going very, very well. Oh, since you're talking about skills and knowledge, we are there at the moment. We're doing technical analysis.
Oh, you're doing technical analysis now?
Yes. Oh, it's going very well.
Okay, no,
because at the end, I'm gonna acquire that skills and knowledge.
You're on the right way. You're on the right path.
Yes, yes. In his academy. Yes.
Great stuff. All right. Thank you so much, Tutu. It's one of our mentees in the academy. She's doing technicals currently. She's learning about technicals. So yeah. All right. Now we're moving further. Now I'm going to the last interesting option. I know 90% of you guys here are here because of this option. People don't want to know how to trade. People don't want these trading things. They want money. People want to go straight to the money. Show me the money, not this thing of yours, of these charts and stuff. Show me the money, Mr. Mapena. This is what you guys are saying. All right, can you write 5-5, guys? 5-5 to see if people are still there. We are about to finish now. We are on the last part. 5-5, guys. 5-5 on the chat section. 5-5, guys. 5-5, guys. Okay. Great stuff. People are here. Right now, what happens, guys? Thank you so much, guys. The lazy way of making money. Excuse me. The lazy way of making money, this is whereby you say, I do not have a skill now, but I need the money. December is around the corner. I can't risk going to December without money because my friends are going to laugh at me. My family is going to disown me. My kids, I can't stand to see my kids hungry in December. I need money. I need to make money. I do not have the skill. I do not have the knowledge as yet, but I need money. Now there is a way, guys. We can do copy trading. Copy trading is a way whereby you trust the person who has got experience more than you. You link your account, you fund your account. Once you have funded your account, then you link your account with an experienced trader, with someone who's always on the market. Whenever they are trading, you are also making money on your side. So an experienced trader will be trading on his principal account, on his master account. When he's trading on his master account, he's also copying on your account. You just do the settings and then the principal trader will do the rest. Make sure that you do the right settings, especially as per your account. If it's a small account, follow the right settings for a smaller account. If it's a big account, follow the right settings for a big account. Then whenever the principal, the master trader is trading, then it's following on your account as well. Simple as that. You don't do much. When you see profits, then you can withdraw. The money remains in your account all the time. You can stop copying and withdraw your money. No one will ask you anything. There's no contract. No one will, the money is still in your account. It's not a situation where we say this is a 90-day package or it's a 300 days package. You can't withdraw your capital. You can't withdraw your capital, your principal money or something. Nothing. You invest, put $100 US, put $500 US. Once you see there are enough profits that you need, you can withdraw, invest again, copy the principal trader, and then move forward. As simple as that. So that's how it is. That's how you can make money. This is an open platform where you can make such. So, any questions, guys? Anyone with their questions, you are more than welcome to unmute yourself or write something. Let me check some chats if there are some questions about what I've just said, copy trading, or if you want to know about anything, let me take some questions. Okay, so any of these guys, Patience, I did say, please, can you send the link to the, can you send the link to the chat section, please? I did say, guys, if you can you send the link to the chat section? Mantema says, is copy trading free? Yes, it's free. It's free to you. Copy trading is free. Okay, these are the links, guys. You can register on these links. Register on these links. All right. Any questions, guys? Anyone who's got some questions? Anyone who need to understand something? You can unmute yourself and ask. Let's talk. If you need to understand something, and also, guys, like I said, if you've got a skill and you know how to trade, you say, I've got a skill, I know how to trade, you can inbox me if you want me to take you further in terms of the opportunities in the space. If you trust your skills, you trust yourself, you can make up to 10,000 US dollars per month as a principal trader as well. So if you've got a skill, if you know how to trade, hit my inbox. There are vast opportunities, guys, in getting the skill. You can also enroll into our academy, guys. It's 3,000 rands. Guys, come to the academy. Pay 3,000 rands. Let's get you the skill. Let's give you the skill. Let's make you a very professional and profitable trader. So come into the academy. Hit my inbox, guys. Please, guys, be very careful again. There are people who are creating accounts that look like me. They've downloaded all the information on Facebook. They've downloaded my whole profile, my whole post. They spend time posting all my posts looking like me. Be very careful who's approaching you, guys. I don't really approach people, but I get people to inbox me, then I will start talking. So be careful, guys, of those people who are impersonating me. Very, very careful, especially with the number. My number starts with 084. Any other number, 067, 07, whatever, is not my number, guys. Please, guys, I don't want to come and say Miss Mapena did this to me and stuff. Be very careful. If you are not sure of the person that you are talking to, request a video call. You can see I'm a handsome person. So request a call with me, a video call, and then you make sure that you are talking to me. Don't be scammed, guys, online, please. Okay, right. Right, any questions, guys? Any questions? Anyone? The automatic compounding of profit from profit. Yes, obvious. When you profit, the profits get back into the account and they are reused. They are being traded again. So yes, you can always leave them there. You just leave them there, and then whenever the trading happens, it keeps on trading. All right, but do make sure that you follow the correct settings. Hit my inbox, join us on our Telegram channel so that you keep updated. Contact me on Telegram, and then I can assist you, I can help you. The minimum, guys, you can start from $100, but the more money, guys, you can put $500, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 US. The more money you put, the more safer and the more depth you have. You know, the more money you actually put, the better. So, but you can start as small as you can, whatever you have. Guys, this is the best time to start trading. It's September now. September, October, November, it's December. Get started now. Get involved now. Get moving now. Okay, anyone, guys, with a question? Anyone wants to say something? Anyone wants to say something? Precious, hi, Precious. Precious, hi. Hi, Precious. She's one of our students. She's one of our mentees in the academy. Hi, Precious.
Hi. How are you, Mr. Mapena?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Are you at work?
Yeah, I'm busy. No, I knocked off. I'm listening to you and I'm busy. I was busy mopping and cleaning at the same time I'm listening. So when you're calling my name, I'm rushing to the phone. So I'm missing myself.
How's the lessons going?
The lessons are very good. I don't want to lie, you helped me a lot. From where I started, to now, I've improved. But then I faced a challenge because now my laptop broke and it's very new. So I just gave back my laptop. I'm very disappointed with them. So now me and Stone are currently on hold. But I'm only left with a week, of finishing, and then I can start with the live live trading. Yeah.
All right, great stuff.
Yeah, you have helped me. I don't analyze.
Okay, great stuff. Precious is one of our mentees in the academy. Bongi, are you the one that I know? Bongi, awuvele lapha Bongi, awuvele sikubone. Are you the one that I'm thinking, or you are a different Bongi? Bongi. Hey, your network, Bongi.
How are you?
I'm current yourself,
very
Bongi.
bad, yes. I've been slacking. I'm okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
No, we can't. We can only hear you when you are asking. Can you talk?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes, I'm okay. How are you?
Okay, it's hard. Okay, thanks, Bongi. Your network is very bad. Okay, all right. No, thanks, Bongi. Thanks for trying. All right, Mr. Sipo.
Yes, I'm struggling with the network.
All right, no, thanks, Bongi. Mr. Sipo, kunjani baba?
Hayi siyaphila wasingezwa nje.
Ugcine uyilungisile i-contract yakho so that you can fund your Bybit. Did you fix it?
Yeah, I did, but I'm still waiting for angithi bazoqala bathi kuyi-verify.
Please do phone them tomorrow. Make sure that you phone them so that you can speed the verification. If you don't phone them, they also relax. If you phone them tomorrow, it might be done. Or you can always send an email now and say, hi guys, please look into my account and verify. Send an email now. Tomorrow morning, phone them.
All right, I'll do it.
And don't forget to watch that YouTube video I sent you so that you when your funds or when your account when your funds are cleared, you just shoot.
Yes, I already watched it. I'll watch it again.
All right. No, great stuff. Mara. Hi, Mara. Mara, I think you are Zandi. All right. Okay, Christoph. Mantema, when are you getting involved? Mantema. All right.
Hello,
I don't
can you hear me? Hi.
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm actually a student, so I'm hoping to join around by the end of October, hopefully. If things go well, hopefully by the end of October.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Christoph, welcome in advance.
Thank you so much.
Hope by then you still know about crypto.
Yes, I'm representing from Lesotho, just so you know.
Oh, from Lesotho.
Yes.
one of the days I'll make a turn to Lesotho. I'll make a presentation in Lesotho.
Please do. We need this information. It's very, very valuable.
I see quite a few number of people from Lesotho who are much involved in the crypto space. What are you doing in the crypto space? Are you a networker? Are you what exactly is happening
For now, I'm still a networker. But
okay.
yeah, these platforms, yeah.
I know.
So I'm trying to look for something legit now, something I can settle with.
Okay. All
Yes.
right. No,
yes.
great stuff. Okay, great stuff. Welcome. Don't disappear. Are we connected on Facebook?
Yes, I do follow you on Facebook. Almost each and every of your posts. I've been following you for a long time now.
But why are you not liking my post? I've never seen your like.
I like your post.
Guys, why are you not liking my post?
Thank you.
All right, thanks, Matema. Thanks for being there. Thanks, welcome. Okay, all right, Jabulile, all the way from MP. Jabulile, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, you were the first person to come here. If there was an award, I was gonna give it to you. But I'm saying you're gonna be a millionaire in your lifetime.
Yes.
That's the biggest award, Akir.
Oh, it is.
Okay, did you get value for your time?
Very much so. I think now it's a matter of taking that first step.
All right. Great stuff. Thank you for coming. And deliberate over it. Crypto is the way to go. There's so much money to be made in this space. but the earlier you come on board, the faster you take advantage of opportunities. Bull run, guys, can actually happen anytime. We might be back in bull run because there's so much fundamentals are happening. Institutions, financial institutions, people with money are coming into this space. So anytime the markets can start going up, and then you'll be like, oh, I missed the prices again when they were so cheap. Bitcoin came from 60,000 US dollars to 20,000 US dollars. It came to fetch you. It's more like a taxi going to town, and then it come to your doorstep to fetch you, and then you don't get on board. So this is the best time, guys. Let's get involved. Ketty. There's someone there called Ketty. She reminds me of Generations. Do you remember Generations way before, guys, when it used to be Generations? Who was that guy? Ketty. Mamtutu sakhumbula. Mbani konje wayijwayele uthi Ketty. Awuyibuka iGenerations, Mamtutu? Anguzwa. Patience, can you unmute yourself? All right. Anyone, guys, wants to say something? You can unmute
Yes.
yourself.
It took
Yes.
me 3 minutes to come to my phone.
All right.
Hello, the signal.
Sorry, what are you saying? Okay.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. So now, ngiyahlupa ngithi.
What you saying?
Uyangazi ngiyahlupa. Okay, so when you're talking about ngiyahlupa mina. Yeah, when you talk about copy trading,
Yes,
what you call this, the copy trading. Can you please repeat it? Jay, 3 minutes in Lalele kahle, Chris. I haven't found time to speak in it and see what you have for me before I find my own boss.
Okay, copy trading is whereby you open an account using our link and you fund your account. You've got full control of your account. No one has got access to your account. You've got full control of your account. You can set up a 2FA. And then once you have funded your account with minimum $100 US, then you ask for you look for Empire Forex signals on the platform. You copy, you set up your account, you copy. I've got a video which has got some settings, which has got some good settings on how to do copy trading. Then you copy. Once you've done the settings, you put it's called the leverage, you put your order cost, you put your stop loss, and then you have done that part. And then you let it run. Whenever the principal trader opens an account, the master account that we use, open an account, it's also opening on your side. So whenever we make profits, it's also profiting on your side. That's copy trading.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. But it's true that with trading, there are losses and there are wins. There's nothing as winning, isn't it?
Yeah, look, you need to put the right settings, especially you can actually set the stop loss to say, okay, right, should it go beyond this
Yeah.
level, you know what, it can stop out here. And then if you use the right leverage and the right order cost as well, you are on the better side, you understand? So that's why I'm saying do the settings.
Yeah.
So always do the right settings.
Can one be able to live by that at the same time, still acquiring because I love, you know, I always tell you I love trading. So I'm looking at getting skills for myself because I believe every trader has their own skills, isn't it? You have your own way that works for you.
Yeah, absolutely. The most important thing in this world, in this life, is to acquire your own skill. Once you have your own skill, then you are better off. Acquire the right skill, then you'll be better off. But in the meantime, while you are still acquiring your skill, you can always do the copy trading. It can assist you somehow.
Okay. No, I am still, you know, asking questions. I'm like a baby, you know, when the baby is in that stage of trying to walk, you know, and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm there for now. Trying to acquire skills, asking, you know, questions. You know me, I can ask questions in the 8 in the morning. At 8 in the morning, I mean, at any time.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Look, the world was built on questions. The day you start asking questions, then you stop living. You must always have some questions, always have to know what's happening. That's how you grow. You grow by asking questions. Okay. All right. No, thank you, guys. I do not see people raising some hands.
Right. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thanks, Precious. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Mamududu ngiyeza ngizodla lapho. Ngiyabona udla kamnandi. Thank you, guys. Good night. I'm coming to your houses, guys, to eat supper. Thank you. I know it's month end. It's month end. Abantu badla kamnandi, Mamududu.
Yes. Mr. Mapela, may I ask? Yeah, since you show us those two projects, Ethereum and Solana, still a time to buy maybe Solana because it's lesser.
Yeah, look, there are a lot of projects. There are a lot of them. Yeah.
When are you gonna share us those projects, please?
All right. You are one of our students. Don't worry. On your next appointment with our trainer, let me know. I'll avail myself and then give you the insights of good projects to look into.
Oh, thanks so much.
Yeah. Ungaseka wena ngeke ngilahle. Ngizokwenza ube nemali eningi. Ngizokwenza ube nemali eningi.
Hayi bazongena nabanye babe nemali eningi. Sonke la singeneni senze imali. People, let's just join an academy.
Hey, bathithiza lava. All right. No, great stuff. Super. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming through. Good night. All right, Motos, the question, where do we subscribe for signals discount? All right, after this presentation, I'll get in touch with our technical to make available. Just keep checking on the website. 30 minutes from this, check on the website and then get the discount on the signals. Get the, go to the website, which is empireforex.net. Empireforex.net. Empire forex.net. Okay, that's when you can subscribe for signals. Empireforex.net, can go there and subscribe for signals. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.